we'll do this endoscan treatment. It's really good. Remember you did your endolip?
Yeah.
So, it's a very good complementary treatment to your endolip. Yeah, so this is new, very, very new. You'll just feel some heat, but ang maganda sa kanya, you'll notice your skin looks very matte.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, very nice, very smooth.
Let's go.
Let's go! And tingnan nyo ha, yung eyes ni Shawi ng panda eye tayo. Look at that.
Yes.
Hindi mo kang pagod yung eyes niya.
Laking
Diba?
tulog.
Yeah, I know.
Tsaka na yung face with.
Yeah. It's so nice to have these.
And then Daddy can have a break.
Yeah, I have to because I'm going to New York after graduating. I'm going the day after election.
So lucky you.
Kasi we have to pack all our stuff and stuff at home.
Love you.
Love you, Mama. Love you.
See ya.